Go to the. I will go to the mountain in my barkada. Go to the mountain. Go to the mountain in my barkada. To go to the mountain, you get the spider in the forest, in the spot, in the mountain in Maraet City because we have a dead anniversary in my friend to become to walking in the street in the Maraet road in the forest in the spot in the Maraet City to become a good. You are six people, six person to walking to the Maraet City to become so very hot of the sun. We have many leaves dry and trees and to banana and mango fruits. We have a tricycle and motor and them all the time. To the sun is very hot. My body to we have a swipe the body because we have a water in your body, your dress and my my only one friend Joe Cola and Randall and Marnell to walking in the street, going to the mountain and Randall for me, of course me, because I'm tired to walking because very heat of the sun. We have a posty in the current in the Maraet City all the time to become to you need to translate Tagalog or Bisaya. Adto mis Maraet manulong migdamang all the time. I celebrate my friend because mini go to the Maraet because some always to walk always to go to the mountain because in the highway is very trouble because of the motorcycle and truck and auto. My friend Kula to we didn't have dress because very heat of the sun. We have a forest and then time to celebrate party. Marnel to Calo sombrero and then to look at the soil. We didn't have water, no. And the dry leaves and the balagon and trees and bamboo tree and banana tree and look onto my 5 person is very walking because it's very far and very far we look at the forest if you have monkey and bird and snake and it's very tired because I'm so far on the mountain in the Maraet City. It's a long time to go to become a good person to celebrating anniversary in my friend and my friend Buloy to walking is very tired. We have is translate vernacular Tagalog. My kaibigan si Loy to look at the road is very many leaves and many trees. Look at the mountain if you have monkey. Okay.